My spidey sense is tingling.
So proud of their success. They're so proud of their so-called independence that they can't
Nope.
offer their children the
Nope. 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 Toyo turd. Slow down, move over. That guy. Straight to the left lane. Exit dive. Oh shit, really? What was that?
Heavy. You are very heavy, I say. I hope he doesn't take that to mean, hey fatty, go on a diet. My mass is 168 kilograms, he says. Rocky weighs over 300.
This is flexible. When you fill it with pressure, it wants to become a sphere. That's not a useful shape.
Really?
To combat this, the Have and Pop tents have special flooring.
Nope.
Here. So my older brother, he's 2 years older than me. He's been using methamphetamine for
exit dive.
the last 5 years that we know
Nissan
of.
drivers. Exit dive behind me. Oh, shit! Whoa, shit. Did not move over.
Bonus code BURR, B-U-R-R, and they will match your first bet, dollar bet, $100, right, Andrew? Is that it? Yes. So it's very simple. Just go to the BetMGM, download the BetMGM app, use bonus code BURR.
But there's no one coming. Go.
We had the after the family. We had the final wrap party, which was so awesome, but also
exit dive.
because I loved everybody on the show.
All right, the maximum height on the parkway is 8 feet. That U-Haul is 9 feet. It's not allowed on here. Oh, bad truck. Now you're going really fast. And you're not allowed on the parkway. I don't know if you're the same U-Haul from earlier, but I'll use this clip too.
Yeah, and she wrote the real rockers. June wrote more of the ballads. If Mickey and June had been able to get along and write songs
You done messed up, Aaron!
you know,
be that fill in the blank. All of this is
Oh man.
is somebody's alarm bells going. That guy's not safe, and I still love him.
Jeez.
And I still want to be around him. And so safety is
one
not,
way to do
you
it.
can't fight people. I'm sure you.
Whatever his unit is. Okay, all I have to do is work out the mass of this ball, divide by 26, and tell him the answer. I understand. The ball is a mass of 26. No, is not. I pause. It isn't? Is not. Ball is 26. I don't understand. He thinks for a moment, then says, wait. He disappears into his ship. While he's gone, I speculate on how to weigh something in 0G. It still has mass, of course, but I can't just put it on a scale. There's no gravity. Centrifugal gravity. The time.
Oh, really? Of course. Nope. Nope. Oh, red light run. Mass tech. Brad. That guy ran. Don't turn on red, Corvette. Mess hole left. Didn't stop.
On this virus.
Well, you just flat out ran.
That evening, in her Philadelphia home, indicating that the ship could crash harmlessly into the Atlantic Ocean if necessary.
Damn,
altitude 1,500 meters, pitch and roll maneuver commencing, getting a little shimmy flight. By 5 large bolts, the force was directed entirely to a single one. The bolt was
Hi! How you doing, buddy?
If necessary, to carry the entire weight of it.
We're risking our livelihood here. Can you be a little more fucking considerate?
BMW doesn't stop.
Have it, and so you end up with these things like voice training that can make a huge difference in someone's life not being accepted.
There's a difference between privacy and secrets, right? We keep things private, we don't keep secrets.
Red light run.
Right.
And
what the fuck? So on way. Red light run. Come on, hurry up. And you just run the red anyway. Yeah, you got a big smile on your face. Good job. Red light run. Red. Oh, 2 people ran this time. No, it says no left turn there. 3 people in a row doing. Hold everyone up. Red light run. Red light run. You got a red arrow, dude.
If only we had the stable supply of 3 honest mud sloths, maybe
Red
we'd
light
survive.
run. Oh, look at that guy.
Won't give me enough juice to drive. More thinking is required.
Red light run. Supposed to let that red car turn first. My spidey sense is tingling. Yep, you can only turn right on red from the left, from the right lane. Oh.
My hull can't handle that. And he can't handle so how does he make modifications? We have clinks and planks from the other side of the airlock. This time I'm going to find out.
That's a very loud pass fail.
Over time? I mean, we have a near-Earth resupply to plan, not to mention figuring out how to get Watney to Scaparelli. We've got a lot on our plates. You're damn right!
Rocky waves absently. Eat. I float down to the dormitory for my morning ritual.
Christ.
I ate a pre-packaged breakfast, scrambled eggs with
Why
pork
would you
sausage,
tell him to go?
and a bag of hot coffee. It's just like any other warm-blooded life form. She gave me a moment to let that all sink in.
It's left turn from the straight lane.
But a congestion and service the brain, which sits safely in the center of his carapace.
Oh, red light run.
If bees...
Exit regret up there. Another exit regret. Ran right through the stop. Oh, nice cutoff. Red light run. Exit dive. Oops, exit regret. Red light run. Decide what lane you want.
Using methane as a natural gas. I'm sure you know how that impacts our environment. Right. So they are trying to label this as clean, green energy.
Stupid song with them.
And also the other thing is that
stay in lane.
You have missiles in your hands. 2 of them.
No, you don't. You can say whatever you want. I want people to see what you're just a real deal, and you're like such a character. I actually, you know.
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. You just passed a sign that said that. No trucks in the left lane. You can't be there at all. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe and comment. And tune in next week for more, because there's definitely going to be more. Definitely. Okay, bye.